Hi there, I'm Rick Wolf with Artistic Awning and Screens. Today I want to talk to you about our security roller shutters. This is a motorized version. To bring the motorized version down, we just simply take our remote and hit the down button. Motor inside will lower the shade all the way to the bottom. In this case, on a window application, we have a bottom sill. As it reaches the bottom, it will lock all of the shutters together, giving you the entire security of the shutter. When you're looking to do your cleaning on your shutter, it's a very simple operation. When in the closed position, you can just take some mild soap, mild detergent, warm soapy water, soft brush, and then just hose it off. One thing, do not use a high pressure washer. That can get into the motor mechanism and cause some damage. After this is all done, you can raise it up. The other part you want to pay attention to will be the tracks that the shutter actually runs in. So when it is in the fully up position, just take a look and make sure that there's nothing else built up inside there. Exterior applications, sometimes we can get leaves, other debris that's stuck in there. Just make sure that's clean. Soft brush will do that right for you. One of the big problems that we run into is where the limits on the shutter has changed. Sometimes this can happen on its own. Motors are funny. So in this case, the limit on this shutter is not set fully to the bottom, so it doesn't fully lock in. As you'll see, it stops short and the shutters themselves will not lock into place. So I'll show you how to change that limit. So after you've brought it down to the lower limit, you're going to take your remote, you're going to push and hold the up and down key at the same time until the shade jogs. Now with the down key, we're going to move the shutter all the way down until everything locks. Now we're going to push and hold the my key until the motor jogs again. And now the new limit has been set. You can give it a test, but you should be good to go. One of the common things we get calls on is where the shutter won't seem to come down at all. So in this case, what's happened is the shutter itself has gotten stuck up on top because the limit has been too high, or it maybe have come down on top of a door and then kind of bounced back up. If you take a look up inside, you may actually be able to fix this yourself. All you need to do is find the fin, see if it's stuck, and if you can get back in its track, you should be back in business. Now, there are a couple of times that you will need to give us a call to service your roller shutter. A couple things in common would be, if you're not able to actually find this top fin, get it back in its track, and it's not operating, we have to take the hood off to get into that, you should give us a call. As well, the bottom limit, if it's set too low, where the shade always comes all the way down and then just starts coming back up, that's something we're going to need to come out and take care of for you as well. So please give us a call. That's it for me today. Artistic Awning and Screen, we've got you covered.